Hi everyone, here we've got a REALME Narzo 10 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the display and brightness. As you can see here, we've got the option auto screen off, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 5 minutes applied, and you can say it because this option is marked, but obviously you can change it. All you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, maybe 10 minutes, just tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately changes right here. It is notified here, so it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your REALME Narzo 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.